Hey, what's up everybody? My name is BroKaine and welcome back to Bitcoin Chaser. Today we're going to be showing you exactly how to utilize the Bitcoin Chaser website to get yourself some free Bitcoins on the fly while you're browsing Bitcoin Chaser. To do this, you need a FaucetHub.io account in which it is explained on the same page as the Faucet list how you can go about creating your first account and linking up your Bitcoin wallet address. If you don't want to read it, you can also click the video that appears now in the card section on how you can go about creating a FaucetHub.io account and linking up your Bitcoin address. Now, of course, we've already done that, so we don't need to have a look at any of this. We're just taking a look at this Faucet Hub list over here. Now, the first thing you need to know is that everything is arranged in descending order from the rate at which you can claim, starting at 1 minute and ending at 60 minutes. So the idea behind this is by the time you've got to the bottom of the list, you're able to go back to the top and start claiming again. Now, you can see on my next page here, we are on the FaucetHub.io website, and if we go to our user dashboard, we can see all of the wallets we would be able to use in order to claim from faucets. But for this particular video, we're doing only Bitcoin. So you can see the Bitcoin address we've linked here on the FaucetHub.io website, and we're going to copy that because we need it every time we claim to paste it into the faucet. Now, we're going to go through this and show you how easy it is, and then I'm going to leave it up to you to go ahead in your own time and try it out for yourself. Remember, everything we have on this page now is linked below in the description, so if you want to check that out, be sure to go into the description. So if we click on one of these sites, you can see that we get redirected to a Bitcoin faucet, and it says the faucet requires a Faucet Hub account to claim. We've got that, so we're going to paste in our wallet address and we're going to click Get Reward. Now we're going to have to complete a captcha, so we're just going to hit that in, I am not a robot, and we're going to hit Claim Reward. Now it's going to redirect us once more because they have to earn money in order to give us money. We're going to click Go. See what happening. Now, a lot of these will differ in what you have to do in order to claim, but it shouldn't take you very long at all. So we're just going to have to wait for the timer to run out. Now we can hit here skip ad, and bang, congratulations, you have claimed your first 10 Satoshi. Fantastic, thank you, easy coin. Let's move on to the next one. Loading it up now. Right, so we're linked up on the site now. Let's enter in our Bitcoin address and we're going to go log in. Bang. Right, so it says we've logged in. Now we can hit continue, and it says solve captcha and click anti-bot links in the following order. So we have to click fixed. Bang. We have to click wakens. Bang. We have to click tangoist. Done. And we have to click unlaid. Boop. Verify. Now it's going to ask us to please solve the captcha. We're going to click here to continue. Now we just wait 15 seconds. Right, so that's up. We can hit get link. Another 14 Satoshi has just been added to our Faucet Hub account. We can close this off and we can move on to the next one. Right, so it says claim 6 free Satoshi every 5 minutes. We're going to hit in our Bitcoin address. We're going to go down. We're going to click get reward. We have to verify that we are not a robot. So it says click the rolling ball. Clicked it. Success! Claim reward. 6 Satoshi was sent to us on Faucet Hub. Brilliant. Let's try one more. It's this easy. Hit that up. Now we can claim 5 Satoshi every 5 minutes. Enter in our Bitcoin address. Click claim reward. We have to verify that we are not a robot by clicking the ball. Choop. Got him. We're verifying. Success. We can claim our Bitcoin. Boom, it worked. And that, my friends, is how easy it is. So if we go take a look at our Faucet Hub wallets, we go to overview, and bang, we can see that we have 45 Satoshi from claiming on the faucets. We did it in under 5 minutes. Brilliant. How many more can we do? Well, look at it. There's hundreds, right? You can actually go every single day and you can claim, and I promise you're going to come out at the end of the week feeling like a new man with some new Bitcoins. It's that easy, guys. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want to watch more videos like that, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget, on Wednesday, we have our live at 5 please be ready at 7 p.m. GMT. And we will see you there. Be prepared for the live stream. It'll go pre-live for about 15 minutes where you guys can sit and start chatting in the chat room and get communicating for when the live stream goes live. Thank you everybody for watching. I'll see you on the next video. From myself, BroKaine and Bitcoin Chaser, wish you a lovely week. Bye-bye.